I know this is kind of weird to see, but this Windows I installed is Windows Longhorn. If you don't know what Windows Longhorn is, it's a build of Windows that never made it to the public and never was a public release from Microsoft's. And instead, we got Windows Vista because this project is basically abandoned by Microsoft back in the early 2000s. And the reason why it's maybe was kind of complicated. The codes for it were messed up. Everything was just messed up in the system and as you can see in front of your eyes, this is one of those builds. This build is build 4051. If you kind of can see that over here. Yeah. And it took me 2 hours to install. Yep, don't be surprised, this took 2 hours to install. After a lot of pain, I finally got it installed, and this was the result. I didn't really expect it to be like that. Yesterday, I posted a reel about Windows Longhorn, one of its final builds, and how graphically good it was looking, but this is nothing close to it. I thought I would be faced with a really beautiful operating system, but nope, this is the result. Maybe I could say because I'm installing this on a virtual machine, but I don't really think so. I installed Windows XP, installed Windows Vista, Windows 7, all of them got installed as a virtual machine, but I never faced this graphical problem in my life of using virtual machines. So as you can see, it's kind of messed up graphically, but that doesn't stop me from checking this operating system. In here, it's running as an administrator. The thing is, when I was installing it, they asked me for a username and even a password. But when it's first launched and, I started using it and stuff, I noticed that it says administrator in here. So that's kind of weird. And also I want to try and see if I can do this. Yep, I can. So it says Microsoft's Windows codename Longhorn. So this identify itself as a Longhorn Windows, and evaluation copy expires 1/16/2006. Okay, interesting. What else we can find in this operating system? This is the recycle bin, in case you never know what that means. We got a command prompt, pretty cool, and pretty cursed, actually. What else we got? And yeah, I had to set the time to 2005 in the BIOS in order to install this. And also, if you're trying to install something like this, you gotta set the time to 2007-2005. If you set it to 2025 or keep it the same, it's not gonna install with you. So keep that in mind. Also, we got some games in here. You can play pinball. You can play solitaire. You can play all of that. We got Internet Explorer and Internet Explorer 32 bits. Why? Why there is two Internet Explorers? Let's select this one. So in fact, it does work. Next. This is super cursed. Next. I'm really so afraid to connect this to the internet. Completing finish. So it doesn't work. But what if I select the other one, which is this one? Is it gonna work? Yep, it does. All right. Can I Google something? Maybe? No, I don't think I can. We got Notepad. Can we use the Notepad? Yes, sir, we can. Let's type hey. Oh, it's so slow. What? That's crazy. Look at that. The tearing in the screen is just wild. Okay. Let's close this. And no, maybe just save it. Okay, you can save it. That's fine. Yeah, save it somewhere in here. Wait, oh my god. What is happening? Okay, save? Can I save? Okay. Let's just name it 111 and save it. So we saved it. What's next? Control panel. Oh yeah, I wanted to come over here and also check the config we're using right now. If it's even let us do it. Okay, if I come to my PC or as there's no, I cannot do that? Wait, can I? No. Can I come over here and then select this and then, oh yeah, here you go. So I gave it 4 gigabytes of RAM. It says Longhorn again. I'm using an i5 6500 and it's using 4 gigabytes of RAM. Computer name, okay, doesn't matter. But what does CD do? Is that the installation? Oh my god. Install Microsoft's Windows. What is this? This might be the installation media actually. It's connected. Okay, I thought it was gonna be something related to the drivers for this virtual machine. Okay, never mind. Administrator documents? What did I get my hand on? What's documents? Huh? My picture? As there is any pictures? There is in fact the Windows XP pictures. Wow. Okay, look at this. This is crazy. Okay, close. Wow. Okay, really interesting actually. But I don't think I will keep using it like this. I must install some drivers. If I don't install drivers, I cannot use this. My plan for this video is to install a couple applications in Windows Longhorn and make it usable in 2025. But this appeared to be something else. Anyways, this was it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is that how it, like, is that because drivers or something? What's the reason behind this? It's super weird. It actually looks like I got it from the deep web or something. But anyways, this was it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one.